Okay, good morning students. Today I am going to teach the general characteristic features and examples of phylum Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata. So coelentrates are invertebrates or non-chordates and they are aquatic animals. They are living in the aquatic habitat and mostly marine. Most of the coelentrates are marine habitat and few are freshwater habitants. Few are living in the freshwater. Then the coelentrates are sessile. Sessile, that means non-motile, it is not moving, it is firmly attached to the substratum in that habitat, or free swimming, and radially symmetrical body. Radially symmetrical body. The body symmetry is radial symmetry. Body symmetry is radial symmetry. Radial symmetrical animals. Okay. The next character. So these coelentrates are also known as cnidarians. That means the phylum Coelenterata is also called as phylum Cnidaria, Cnidaria. Why they are called so? Then the question arises, why they are called as cnidarians? The reason for cnidaria, the reason for its name as cnidaria is due to the presence of specialized defensive cells known as cnidoblast, presence of cnidoblast or cnidoblast cells or cnidocytes. So cnidoblasts are also known as cnidocytes with stinging cells, with stinging pouches, or capsules, stinging capsules. So these cnidoblasts are the structure which contains stinging capsules, and these stinging capsules are also known as nematocytes. So cnidoblasts or cnidocytes are the cells which contains stinging capsule, that is known as nematocytes. So due to the presence of this cnidoblast, the coelentrates are also known as cnidarians. The main function of this cnidoblast or cnidocytes is anchorage, then defense, and it is also helpful in capturing the prey. So these are the important functions of this cnidoblast or cnidocytes. Then coelentrates exhibits tissue grade of body organization. Coelentrates exhibits tissue grade of organization Body organization is tissue grade of organization. And diploblastic animals. Diploblastic means their body wall contains two layers, outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. Thus, there are two layers in their body wall, hence they are diploblastic animals. Then, the body of the coelenterate has a central cavity known as gastrovascular cavity known as coelenteron. The body cavity is gastrovascular cavity, and which is known as coelenteron. That's why these animals are known as coelentrates. Coelentrates means the animals having gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. And the main function of coelenteron is digestion. That means there is no separate digestive system in their body. The coelenteron itself acts as digestive tract. Hence, this body cavity is known as coelenteron. So, animals with the coelenteron are coelentrates. Then, mouth is single. The gastrovascular cavity opens in the mouth. Single opening is there. Mouth is a single opening present on their body. And this mouth is situated on hypostome. It is present on hypostome. Hypostome means it is an elevated portion on which the mouth is situated. Elevated portion of the body on which the mouth is situated, and this portion is known as hypostome. Then digestion is extracellular and intracellular digestion. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular digestion. Have a skeleton composed of some of the cnidarians have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Hard skeleton known as corals. Some of the cnidarians exist in the form of corals. Corals means this body is hard due to the presence of a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. The cnidarians exhibits in two body forms. Polyp and medusa. Cnidarian exists in two body forms. They are polyp and medusa. Polyps are sessile and cylindrical. Cylindrical in shape. Polyps are sessile and cylindrical in shape. For example, Hydra and Adamsia. Hydra and Adamsia. So this is the structure of Adamsia. So it's a polyp. It's a polyp and its sahi, it is attached to the substratum and its body is cylindrical. And another form is medusoid form or medusa form. They are free swimming. They are free swimming and umbrella shape. Umbrella shaped structure. Example is Aurelia. It is commonly known as jellyfish. Aurelia or common name is jellyfish. It has an umbrella shaped body with the tentacles and it is free swimming. It is freely swimming in the habitat, in the marine habitat. Okay. Then the cnidarian, which exists both forms, that is polyp and medusoid, exhibits alternation of generation. Alternation of generation. Alternation of generation means metagenesis. The cnidarian traits which exist in both forms, polyp and medusoid forms, exhibits the characters, and this character is known as alternation of generation character or metagenesis. That means the polyp produces medusa asexually. The polyps undergo asexual reproduction and produces the medusa, and medusa undergoes sexual reproduction and it produces polyps. So polyp produces medusa and medusa produces the polyp. So this type of generation, this method of generation is known as alternation of generation. This phenomenon is known as alternation of generation. This phenomenon is known as alternation of generation or metagenesis. Example is Obelia. Obelia is a colonial form of cylindrate found in the marine habitat, and this Obelia, body of Obelia has both polyp and medusa. Both polyp and medusoid structure. Now we look at examples. Now we look at the examples of cylindrates. Hydra, then Adamsia, Aurelia, is commonly known as jellyfish, Obelia, then Physalia. It is commonly known as Portuguese man of war. Portuguese man of war. Physalia is commonly known as Portuguese man of war. Then Pennatula, sea pen is commonly known as sea pen. Then Gorgonia, is commonly known as sea fan, and Adamsia is also known as sea anemone. So these are the examples of ciliary traits. Examples of the ciliary traits. Let me explain the general characteristic feature and example of another phylum, that is phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora. Ctenophores are commonly known as sea walnuts. They are commonly known as sea walnuts or jelly cones. Jelly cones. They are commonly known as sea walnuts and jelly cones, and these are exclusively marine. Exclusively marine in habitat. They are found only in the marine habitat. They are diploblastic. They are the diploblastic, free swimming. They are diploblastic, free swimming, and exhibits tissue level of tissue grade of organization. Tissue grade of body organization. They are diploblastic, free swimming, and tissue grade of. And another interesting characteristic feature of the ctenophores is bioluminescence. They exhibits bioluminescence. That is, emit of light from the body of an animal. Emission of light from the body of an animal is known as bioluminescence. So this is distinct and specialized characteristic feature of this phylum Ctenophora. Okay, then the body of the ctenophore has 8 external rows of seriated comb plates. 8 rows of comb plate. This body bears 8 rows of comb plates, which helps in locomotion. So comb plates are known as locomotory organs. It helps in locomotion. And digestion is intracellular. Digestion is intracellular and extracellular. The digestion is intracellular. The digestion of food materials occurs inside the cells. There is an intracellular, and outside the cell. Outside the cells is the extracellular. Then sexes are not separate. Sexes are not separate. Sexual Reproduction by sexual method. Fertilization is external. Fertilization is external and development is indirect development. Development is indirect development. That means development occurs through larval stage. Example: pleurobrachia. Examples are and tenoplana. Pleurobrachia and tenoplana are the examples of this phylum. So these are the external 8 rows of comb plates present on their body, which acts as a locomotory organ with a pair of tentacles. The pair of So this is the structure of pleurobrachia. So body is jelly-like and body bears 8 rows of comb plates. So here is mouth and these are the tentacles.